Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, my internet coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right who make millions of dollars. So listen to them and click that link in that first description below. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, just like this PLR. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and PLR license. And you can use this document then to increase your sales using PLR. And you can also use this document as a PLR itself. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic, with a ton of free traffic, so that you can make money online. I suggest that you can grab it and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And the third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr and then sell it for a much lower price. And you become the middleman. Hence, you pocket the difference. And bonus number 4 will show you how to learn to create a passive income. And it's not just any old passive income, it's recurring passive income. So you're going to get something on a regular basis. And you can do that with ease. And the 5th bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. And it'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. You receive a done-for-you, high-value website and a high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. So let's take a look now at this video. In a nutshell, you can grab this PLR, and it's a brand new ebook that details the secrets that you need to get motivated and stay productive while working from home. What you should know about this product is it's an ebook, and it has 7,380 words, and you can sell it, and you can rebrand it. It has a ready-made sales page and a thank you page, professional product images, promotional banners, edible source files, they're all included, and it's fully rebrandable with PLR rights all included. And not only that, you can download it instantly. Now, what's this about? Well, it'll show you how to uncover the secrets to kickstarting your day with enthusiasm and maintaining momentum during the day. It will show you how to power up your productivity with effective techniques to maximize your efficiency and output, and turning your work hours into a powerhouse of productivity. It'll talk about beating procrastination, something that we all do. Someday I'm going to write my book. And so what it does is helps you understand what procrastination is all about and how to eliminate that habit. You can also find out from this ebook how to design your work space so that it will fuel creativity and focus. And finally, it'll show you how to discover strategies to strike the balance between work and personal life, ensuring long-term success and well-being. Now the sales funnel looks like this. The front end for the Productivity in Pajamas PLR is $7.97, and the price will increase with each sale. Now OTO1, Productivity in Pajamas, will give you an unrestricted PLR rights for $17.97. And earlier I talked about the PLR dealership. Well, in OTO2, the PLR Dealer Elite membership, you get a chance to test that out for $2.99. In OTO3, you will receive 22 unrestricted PLR lead magnets for $48.02. And OTO4 gives you another 24 unrestricted PLR lead magnets, and they relate to the 2023 birthday bundle, and that's for $48.22. And finally, the OTO5, you get an unrestricted PLR bundle that relates to the 20 and 22 year. Now watch for the downsells, because you'll save some money, but you also might get a different product, or you might get less product. Now if you want to know more, check that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out the $10,000 monthly in that first link below, and my 5 bonuses, because they will show you how to get access to a ton of free traffic, to buy services on Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain reoccurring income, and how to earn daily income while using 3 simple steps and spending only 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And finally, you will be able to learn how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you next time.